Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm with my group with will present about a data description about favorite online mobile game among KKTM Lenggong student. This is my group members, Ahmed Daniel, me, Azmi, and Zein. Our contents here is introduction, analysis of results, analysis of reasons, frequency table, and conclusion. Here I will explain about the introduction. Data description is a the statistics term and terminology. It is about collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting, analyzing data, and interpreting data. The type of data have two. It is qualitative data and quantitative data. Our qualitative data is a word that is favorite online game, and quantitative data is number, which is time spent to play a game in a day. Our method is a primary data survey that is Microsoft form. Our outcome here is favorite online mobile game among KKTM Lenggong student and total of time that students spend to play online mobile game in a day. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zein from DFE 3. Today I will present about analysis of result, time that students spend to play online mobile game. Analysis of a time spent daily at online mobile games. Among the question we ask is how much time they spend playing online games. Among the answer we provide 1 to 3 hours, 4 to 6 hours, and more than 7 hours. Okay. For the college student that play Mobile Legend, most of them spend only 1 to 3 hours to play that game. Second, only four people that play Mobile Legend, 4 to 6 hours. And lastly, more than 7 hours that play ML is two people. So the total of the people that play ML, Mobile Legend, is 26. For college student that play mobile game Free Fire, none of them is play that game. Next, for PUBG Mobile, most of them play 70 people play that game, um, almost 1 to 3 hours, and only two people that spend their time 4 to 6 hours to play that game. For the third game, Valorant, uh, 1 to 3 hours, 1 to 3 hours, and 4 to 6 hours is equal. More than 7 hours, only one. So the total people, so for the total people is 50 people. Okay, next for the presentation is analysis of a time spent weekly at online mobile games. The question we ask is what what are time spent per week that they spend to play mobile games. Among the answer that we give is two to 3 times per week, more than 3 times per week, and every day. As we can see, the college student that play Mobile Legend, they diorang ni macam next, for the analysis of a time spent weekly at online mobile games. For those who play Mobile Legend, only 13 people who play 2 to 3 times per week. For more than 3 times per week is only 6 people, and the college student that play every day is only 7 people. For PUBG Mobile Games, the student who play 2 to 3 times per week is the highest, which is 17, and play more than 3 times per week, only one, and only one is play PUBG Mobile every day. Okay, for the Valorant games, on the other hand, only one who plays 2 to 3 times, only one student that play 2 to 3 times per week. For more than 3 times per week is only one two. Of those who play every day, there are only 3 people. So as we can see, the total of college student that spend 2 to 3 times per week is 31, which is the highest. And for more than 3 times per week is only 8, which is the lowest. And every day the total is 11. For the analysis of the reason, we asked the college student what are their main reason to play their favorite online games. Okay. Analysis of the reason why students play online games, we provide the answer is they want to release their stress, and they want to spare their time, and they want to keep themselves entertained. For who that play Mobile Legend, only 8 people play that game for release their stress. For the spare time, only 6 people play ML f- uh, to fill their free time, and most of them vote for keep their safe entertained while playing Mobile Legend. For the PUBG Mobile, only 6 people play that game because they want to release their stress, and 9 people want to spare their time to play PUBG Mobile, and 4 people vote for keep their self entertained. For the Valorant, two of them answer they want to release that stress, and one to spare their time, and only 2 people want to keep their self entertained. As you can see at the total, release release stress and spare time have the equal total, which is 16, and keep yourself entertained has most highest answer, which is 18. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Uh, After that, for frequency distribution table of Free Fire. At Free Fire, we have zero data because no student playing Free Fire. Therefore, so ni no frequency distribution table needed for Free Fire. Okay. After that, this frequency distribution table of Valorant. So, time spent per day in Valorant for 1 hours to 3 hours. The frequency is two people for 4 hours and to 6 hours. Is the same is 2 people too. It's more than 7 hours, just one. For so the total is 5%. For relative frequency, for 1 hours until 3 hours is 0.4. 4 hours until 6 hours is the same 0.42. More than 7 hours is 0.2. So the percent is 40%, 40%, 20%, and the total is 100. And then frequency distribution for Mobile Legend, uh, time spent per day, 1 hours until 3 hours is 20% spend their time Mobile Legend for 1 until 3 hours. And then for 4 hours until 6 hours, 4% spend their time, and more than 7 hours is 2%. This the total is 26%. So the relative frequency for 1 hours and 3 hours 0.77, for 4 hours until 6 hours 0.15, More than 7 hours is 0.08. The total is just one. So the frequency is 77, 15, and 8. So the total is 100 lah. For frequency distribution table of PUBG, spend hours per day, 1 until 3 hours is 70%, 4 until 6 hours is 2%, and more than 7 hours is 0%. And the total is 90%. So the frequency, so most people spending their time for PUBG Mobile is 1 until 3 hours. So the frequency for 1 until 3 hours is 0.89. 4 hours until 6 hours is 0.11, and more than 7 hours, zero. So the percent is for first table is uh 89%, and second is 11 and 0. So the total is 100. So for the conclusion, the highest of games the student are playing, they are spending their time is Mobile Legend, because this game is easily to play because from a virtual, so they can play anywhere. And then the Mobile Legends not required to store internet. It just can play on the basic internet. And then Mobile Legend is doesn't take much of storage space on your device because it's just use a small space. And the then this game can play on a regular smartphone, so the student not spend a lot of money for expensive phone just for playing Mobile Legend. And the Mobile Legend, uh, the community of large of players, because more influencer out there. So the conclusion, the lowest of game is Valorant, because Valorant need a robust internet, so they need a strong internet to playing that game. Valorant just can play in a personal computer of gaming laptop. Yeah. And this game has a small community, so it is challenging to play with friends because a lot of students don't have a lot of money. So they are poor to spending to buy a gaming laptop or personal computer. And lastly, the game required significant storage. They use a lot of storage to play that game. So and this community is so small. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening our presentation. Assalamualaikum.